Today we will play train derail. Okay, train derail, and let's start. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's going faster. Okay, this is perfect. Oh no, I have my sister watching. It's okay. Oh no, oh no, oh no, that is so slow now. What is going on? Oh no. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with the school bus? I need to get on. Put it on. Hop in. Look. Oh no. Oh! Oh, I'm dying with the chain. Hi, you are my friend now. Oh no. Come on, go faster. Go faster, okay. Oh no. Oh no, we are gonna lose this race. No, this is a train and bus race. I win! What happened? But what happened? I win! Yes! Okay, that's just cheating. But I have a new train, it's so good now. Forgot about that. So you could put that on there. Okay, now we'll just go in the train, hop in, hop out. I will be in the train when they're railing. Oh my gosh, that will be so fun. Wait, what? The train is not derailing? I won it just one time. Oh my gosh, but it's going so fast. I can ride the explosive here. No, no! No, stop! 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 That's not right! Got him. That isn't supposed to happen. Okay, I need it to derail the train. Like this. Put the bus perfectly on, and then just go. Go! Go! Okay, there. This is the train. Okay, just hop in it fast. Okay, there's the bus. Yes, I'm derailing. No, the bus. Oh no. Oh no, I'm not good at this. Oh! Oh, what happened? Oh no, the train is still going. Oh no, this is not good. This is not good. Just go away. We're going extremely fast. Oh! Yes! No! No, my city! No! What have I done? Okay, just forget it. I won't play train derail. Train, what is this? I forgot. Oh, no. I don't know that. I don't know that. Oh, those cards will probably game. Okay, I don't know what that gun is. Mad Max 9. Junkyard, not that. No, 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 no. I have so many mods. It's fun. No, I don't know that. Damn, bro, stop. That's not right. This is the one cool map. Everyone liked it. Okay, no one knows that map. But it's a giant desert. Just you will see. What is bro? What is that? Just it's fine. It's going well. If it would load faster, it's fine. Come on. Oh, here we are. I need something. Maybe. Okay, yeah, let's go. Let's go. My sister like Mad Max. She likes blue colored. My sister likes blue colored. Oh, this is the board of a great. Go faster when it will go quite fast. Let's open that up. You're going normally. Oh, the inside looks nice. Oh no! My hand! Oh no! But what is it? I just... It's fine. Oh yes, I remembered this. Oh no. I think that's too loud. Stop, guy. Stupid. Go away. Oh. Did you see it? My game just lagged. Well, does one now. Oh. Wait, it's... Oh no, I remember this. Not. Damn road. Yes. The tornado would drive. Or maybe not. I need to check the ground. Hey. No, it won't. How? It's too high. Damn. Okay. Maybe this map is too big. Too big. Already. Everyone doesn't look. What? I don't know what is that. I'm playing castle. I didn't mean to get that castle. Not nuke. How did I just miss that one? Up, okay. The castle is ready. It's just outside. It's loud. In, it's not loud. Out, it's a little bit loud. We have booby traps, so you can't get up. My booby trap though. I forgot. I need to see out. It's okay. Don't look at them. Don't look at them. It was my mistake. It was my fault. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, we can end this one. Oh yes, this is a great map. But in that one, we can end this one. Okay. Drive! Oh, really cool jump. I'm sorry, this is my... Okay, this is my house. Did I just saw a ball? No! Please! He's drawing back. Oh no. My important house! That's... Oh no, he's gonna drive backwards. Please, I just bought this. Oh no. That is just a little bit of lighter. Just don't... Oh no. Or maybe it's great. Bro, what the... He just... demolishing the building. Oh no. Why are you doing that? My house! No! No, 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 toilet, please. Oh no. My house, it's... oh, this is weird. Oh, this is weird. I can still walk. Oh, I can't even jump. Let me... I'm starting. No, I can't jump. I can't. No, let me, please. Oh. Thank you. Lightning bolt, thank you. It's your fault. Thank you. This is my $100 million house. No, let me in. Oh, I got in the toilet. How? Let me out. No, I didn't want. Okay. Oh, my first neighbors looked fine. They're a little bit fine, though. My neighbor's up is completely destroyed. My neighbor's here, just gone. There is no sign of it. My other neighbors, fine. Okay, we just need to get... This is mine. This is mine. Just don't drive closer. I'm saying you. What is he doing? He just body slammed it. Oh, now my house is destroyed. It's destroyed. I need to see. What did you do? Why? No, my house! My house! It was millions of dollars. Please, no more damage. This is my richest house. I just got my neighbors. Oh, I can pick up the house. Have a little lava fly. Oh no, that's the... Oh, so much lag. My game is dying. Not so much. So you can tell it's not dying. I need to just to get in. The house wants to fly, though. Oh no. Oh my gosh, that was serious. Oh no. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay. My apartment is there. Let me in. What they did? This is honestly my fault. Oh no! Ugh. Is this all of the house? Whoa! Now a little bit higher. Okay, that. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Please, please! Ouch! We are now falling down to earth. Oh! How? Oh my gosh! This apartment. Okay. So we're gonna end this one right here. There is another video on the top right, so make sure to see that as well, so you don't miss anyone. Bye bye. Bye bye.